Well, if you're confused about ZkSync and not sure if it's worth buying, trust me, by the end of this video, you'll see exactly why I'm so bullish about it. I will also be revealing my price prediction for the ZkSync token during this bull run and explaining when and how ZkSync can grow 100x. But there's a catch. Don't jump to conclusions just yet, because missing out on the full picture could seriously harm your money. Trust me, you'll want to watch this one all the way through. So guys, I'm your bull, Abby, and you're watching Bull Breza. Remember, whatever I say in this video is not financial advice. It's just my speculation for entertainment and educational purposes. ZkSync is a layer 2 protocol designed to scale Ethereum. ZkSync is like a magic trick for developers who want to build apps on the blockchain without worrying about things getting too crowded or slow. Here's where it gets really interesting. ZkSync uses something called zero-knowledge proofs. Let's break this down with a simple example. Imagine you have a secret recipe for the best cookies ever. You want to prove to your friends that your cookies are the best without giving them the actual recipe. Zero-knowledge proofs are like that. They let you prove something is true without revealing the details. In the blockchain world, this means you can prove a transaction is legit without showing all the personal details, keeping things private and secure. Here's why ZkSync is a big deal. With zero-knowledge proofs, your private information stays private. For example, when you make a financial transaction, ZkSync can confirm it's valid without showing your account balance or how much money you sent. Have you ever noticed how Ethereum can get slow when too many transactions are happening at once? ZkSync helps blockchains handle more transactions by bundling them together and proving they're legit with one simple proof. It's like sending a whole bunch of letters in one envelope instead of one at a time. Imagine proving you own a digital art piece without anyone knowing who you are, or logging into a website without needing a password. Pretty cool, right? Here are some easy to understand examples of how zero-knowledge proofs work in real life. When you enter your password on a website, zero-knowledge proofs can check it without the website ever seeing your actual password. This keeps your password safe from hackers. If you buy something online, ZkSync can ensure the payment is real without revealing how much money you have in your account. Your privacy is protected. Let's say you need to prove who you are for a medical appointment, but you don't want to share all your personal details. Zero-knowledge proofs can confirm your identity without exposing your private information. In short, by using zero-knowledge proofs, ZkSync solves the need for super-fast scaling in blockchain. It allows unlimited transactions to happen quickly without a marginal impact on security or cost. With ZkSync technology, multiple blockchains work together to handle more users and transactions smoothly. There's no question, ZkSync is designed for mass adoption, and its potential is unstoppable. Imagine the incredible heights ZkSync is poised to reach. Before I share my price prediction on ZkSync crypto, I want to let you know this is not a sponsored video. I'm bringing you this educational content for free, and all I ask in return is your support. So please like this video and subscribe to show your support. The ZK token is the main token used in the ZkSync ecosystem. It's important for keeping the system running smoothly and making decisions about the network. One of its main jobs is to pay for transaction fees on the ZkSync network. Looking at its price chart, it seems the initial hype and FOMO have faded. Personally, I think any price between 8 to 12 cents could be a good entry point for the long run, if the crypto market stays stable. But before I share my bull run price prediction, what concerns me most is the timing of the token unlock, which might coincide with the expected bull run. This could be a risk, but it's just my assumption. I could be wrong. I believe the crypto bull market could peak around the first quarter of 2026. By then, the circulation supply of ZK tokens is expected to exceed 16.5 billion, out of a total supply of 21 billion tokens. This would be 4.5 times more than the current supply of 3.67 billion at the time of making this video. Considering ZkSync's cutting-edge technology, rapidly growing ecosystem and TVL, ZkSync's Docs team, and its strong community with over 1.4 million followers on X, I believe it could reach a $40 billion market cap in the next bull run, which is nearly 100 times from its current $398 million market cap. But hold on, is that 100x reflected in the ZK token price? Let's break it down. If we divide the $40 billion market cap by 16.5 billion tokens, we get a price of $2.42, around 24 times from its current price of 10 cents. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the analysis. Take care, and thanks for watching Bull Breza.